Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to link Duo Mobile to your account. First, open your App Store or Google Play Store, search for Duo Mobile, and install it. Once it's downloaded, open the app and tap Continue. You'll now see two options: use a QR code or use activation code. If you have a QR code on the website you're signing into, just scan it using the app. If not, choose use activation code, then enter the code provided by the website or service you're trying to secure. For example, from your account security settings. After entering the code or scanning the QR, follow the on-screen prompts and your account will be successfully linked to Duo Mobile. And that's it. You're all set up with Duo Mobile for two-factor authentication. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.